DJM TV.
My sabi person, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel where they give you all the better gist and news as they break and share inside our Obodo Naija. The matter what we carry console. I want very short matter will be like that too. But before we go ahead, in case it's the first time we see any of our videos, I take God beg you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on the notification bell. That bell when you the subscribe button. That bell for there. Just touch your eyes. Bam. You will sabi person. Now to the matter where we carry come. We been gonna one news some time ago say EFCC dey on top Oga Bola Tinubu matter. EFCC dey sing that song. I fit die on top your matter. Now what EFCC dey tell Oga Bola Tinubu be that. Now something does shele for the matter. Now don't forget say EFCC they write to Code of Conduct Bureau say when gonna give us Oga Bola Tinubu asset declaration form when he submit give now. We need to do some investigation, and they talk this one, they go begin to seal up some property, they seal up some properties there. Matter don cast o. You never hear. Let me be there to tell you now. Matter don cast the CBB come outside and say they no see document. Documents have vanished into thin air. This one no go shock me. In case it shock you, it no shock me. Why I say no shock me be say na Nigeria we dey now. We never hear say snake swallow money for jam office. I mean you know hear say rat pursue person come out for office. Impossible, anything is we never know which animal swallow the paper. If you be say the color say na cockroach, na come outside go eat the paper. Tiki. We never know the one they want to. But what did they sup right now be say the documents they no see them. They say they don't search their office, their Lagos headquarters, you know they there. They don't go search their annex for Asokoro for Abuja. They no see them. When some of the officers of the CBB, although they say no, they call their name, when they come outside court talk, they don't say, it's a very big disgrace. This kind of thing no good. Now, when some of the officers of the Code of Conduct Bureau come outside, even the EFCC people, they call it and say, this thing, fear they catch them because this matter is not just good at all. They don't want me reach presidency here at all. They don't be there here. Say because that document it is highly sensitive. Now, in case you don't know, Code of Conduct Bureau now they hold all the sensitive informations about our politicians, especially when they want to enter office. You understand? Like all those their assets declaration now before they enter office, or for every time when they say they want enter new office, they will declare their asset. Now CBB now they hold am, and CBB get caught. We be like say if you declare one thing, they go discover say na another thing that you get for real life. Now problem be that you dey get the matter now so. And now one person fight don dey miss. That means we not make people fight don dey lost as it be right now, because most of our politicians now dey their matter dey, and those things if it make us package them, they do corruption, they do embezzlement. Oyibo, they carry our money go another country. They do those kind of things. Now CBB that will tell no say the thing they sub. Now they say one person fight don't lose. How they want to do this matter? The Oga Pata of CBB don't come and say you don't know how many hands where they oil to for this thing to take loss. Say because you know it's not be Oga, but it's Oga Bola Tinubu no even come to the office at all. So many nobody even talk go there. So you don't know who they do this kind of thing. You don't know how many hands they oil when for this thing go fit take loss. So they never see photocopy. My brothers and sisters, photocopy back. When they don't first say address give EFCC, they don't see them. Now they say they don't fit answer the EFCC petition. And me and you know say they don't see that form. There's nothing they can do to that guy. Although EFCC documents I say not be only the asset declaration form that they want you say check Oga Bola Tinubu, they get other things to use. Say, but they actually need that asset declaration form to check things about the guy properties and the rest of them. So you know the matter they play. But now they don't see the thing, and not even know what they go do. So they will start say, I want to start internal investigation. They want to investigate the officers. Now, in case you don't know, Oga Bola Tinubu file na one of the VVIP files for CBB. And VVIP files, then the guy give anybody. If they want to deal with the chairman or any other person the chairman trust, say, go fit hold this, because a very, very sensitive document, like the thing be. So any other person that the chairman trust, say, now go fit hold this document. Now the chairman will give the document, make it hold. So now what they want hold? You get the answer. You go school. Hey, it's not the matter. They go ask chairman, no. Say, chairman, where the document? Or who you give the document to? Mo go ask the person, say, bros, sis, where document? When all this matter play like this, CBB they first agree, say, this file, they no see him. They don't know where it is. You understand? EFCC, I will give us some more time because we don't know where this file enter. But some more time, they don't come out and not say, nothing like that, oh, nothing like that at all. The file, no, they lost. They're not talking anything like that. Hey, who they carry on this? All this is fake news. You know, say Nigeria. Nigeria be the only person that something go happen. All of us say it happen. The next, give her 30 minutes, 1 hour, you will see and say fake news. Even when you did it when the thing they happen, the next 30 minutes, 1 hour, they will say fake news. Say a lie. People just talk. Say the thing they lost. They lost. Meanwhile, people the thing they it dey everywhere. Everybody see them. So they say the thing they lost. So EFCC, all of that they EFCC they para. CBB they panic. Now they don't matter what say. Now fake news. Nothing they lost. We don't say anything they lost. Blah 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 blah. That's why we ever be before now. If na person we no get level before that talk, they will not bring it in come outside. But na Jagaban of Africa, you know the matter they play now. And that's why you always be. Well, put your comment for the comment section. What do you think? The fight they lost. Abi CBB, maybe the team lost before they got CM. You understand? Or they just want cook up story give us. They say every day for Nigeria and a story. I talk and say Nigeria is a very fun place to do. Nigeria be like what's the book away from Primary Square? They call 1 week, 1 trouble. Every week now they hear new ones. If I every day now they get new matters the way they happen for inside this our Obodo Nigeria. So you chook your mouth put the fight they really lost. Abi then they won't cover up for the missing fight because it doesn't fake news. I mean, they won't cover up. So the final loss. Maybe they won't cover up. How you see the matter? Drop your comment for the comment section. And I beg, if this is not the first time we see any of our videos, we welcome you specially. Oh, you get special place on my heart. Welcome. I beg, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Like this video. Share the video. Make your family members, your friends, even some of your enemies, that you don't know that any of the news go fit change them. Make them know say better thing. They happen on top DJM TV Daily News Update. You know the matter they play. Well, I still remain your host, your girl, Lawo Favor. And I tell you, say, for this life, now small. You take it 1 day at a time. You don't have to do everything at once. So you say take life easy. Don't go kill yourself on top of another person matter.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.